Miss Y. Can I get your reaction ng doon sa mga love teams, kahit yung mga nauna na? Anong masasabi mo dun sa, nag-translate nga ba yung nasa imagination mo while writing? Nag-translate nga ba yung imagination mo while writing the books dun sa mga love teams?
Sa mga past po? Or
yung
pati yung ngayon? Yes, actually, I was very happy with how the Rain and Spanish Six Guys Archer turned out. So I'm really looking forward pa for Chasing the Wild. But I was there during the look test. So, pinili talaga namin itong si Haya at si Gab kasi I really see them as Sevi and Elise. From how they, like, the basketball, si Gab in real life, and then si Haya, the way she talks, really parang in character. So, I can really see them as their characters, especially kahit naman in the first place, kahit hindi mo masyadong ma-feel yan kapag look test, kapag nakita mo na talaga yung result, yung episode, you will feel, especially yung for the first book, yung breakup scene ni Calix and Luna, yun talaga yung feel na feel ko. And then for the second book, di ko parang bakit laging breakup scene? Kapag breakup scene, saka ko nakikita talaga na sobrang in character nila. So I'm really, really excited for their 5th anniversary. So siguro doon ko masasabi talaga na they really, really fit the role, and they na bagay talaga sa kanila yung ginagawa. Bagay na bagay talaga sa kanila yung role na binigay para sa kanila.
Okay, second question is for Wilbert. Ay, sorry. Isa lang daw pala.
Ay.
Excited pa naman si Wilbert. Okay, maraming salamat po. Next up, from Abante Tonight, we have Roldan Castro. Dito po, in front.
Kay Anjo na lang. Anjo, kumusta ka trabaho mga bagets?
Naninibago ko kasi parang back to the past. Kasi mga kasama ko nun, mga bagets. Although I'm having fun, hindi ko lang masakyan ngayon yung mga trips nila.
Like?
Like music, like yung pananalita nila, like yung gimmick nila. Although I'm having fun, especially dun sa role ko kasi ako yung bodyguard ni Elise.
Pero marespeto naman ng mga to.
Sobrang may respeto sila sa akin. Huwag lang kayong magmamano. Kiss lang ng kiss.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat po. So that's batch 1. Batch 2 consists of Romel Gonzalez, Jojo Panaligan, Bobby Requintina, and Kate Adahar. Ngayon po, pakinggan natin from PEP. We have Romel Gonzalez. Dito po, malapit sa ating catwalk.
Sige, my one question is for all the love teams here. Kasi di ba, sa pagkakaalam ko, ang totoo lang ng relasyon sa inyo si Heaven at si Marco. So the rest of the love teams, wala bang level up sa inyong sitwasyon? Wala ba kayong gagawin para maging totohanan na rin ang relasyon niyo tulad ni Heaven at ni Marco? Siguro si ano muna, si Gab tsaka si Hyacinth.
For me, I'm really happy of what me and Haya have because we've been closer for the past few months because we've been doing workshops, relationship works, and especially the music video. And I'm just happy to be there with her, like seeing her grow as an actress. And I think, syempre Marvin na yan, hindi namin, ayaw po namin mag-compare, and we just want to grow as a love team na may each identity.
Yes, Hyacinth.
about that. I don't right now. I mean, so far we're just really focusing sa project natin, and of course our relationship and the foundation of our relationship thing. Pero so far, you know, I feel very,
Parang kilig na kilig ka, Yasmita.
all I can say is I'm very grateful that Gab is we're in a team together, and I feel very safe with him. I'm very grateful for that.
Thank you. Krisha, kayo, kumusta na ni Jerome?
Hi po. Okay lang po. Payapa ang aming mga puso. Uy, payapa! Kalma lang naman kami. Siyempre, yun ang masasabi ko po. Asan po yung kausap ko?
Ito ay.
Ayun po.
Nasaan siya ngayon? Wala
Baha. Town and country siya
Kasi, opo, kailangan po niyo mag-swimming papunta dito. So, dyan na lang yung nasa ako.
Hindi mo ba siya dadamayan? Tutulungan mo yung
Nag-message naman po
Katabi siya ni
kung
Ate
sana
Linda.
everyone safe.
Linda
Sana
Rapaday.
safe sila.
Town and country.
Safe naman. Safe naman. Mukha naman.
Ayun, thank you sa mga couples and congratulations.
Okay, thank you very, very much. Now, let's open the floor to...
Meron pa palang love team.
Ay,
Ayun,
sorry.
Sorry.
Ay,
Sorry, pakisagot din.
Si Shakiara pala.
Oo, tsaka si Jairus. Or baka kayo
Bea.
Kami din matagal, kami pinakamatagal. Sa dulo pa po kasi istorya namin ni Jairus. And for now, we've been really enjoying being with the whole Univergada. And ewan ko, saya naman katrabaho. And let's go!
Hindi. Siyempre, like what Nicole said, malayo pa talaga yung book namin. So as of the moment, we enjoy each other's company talaga bilang co-workers kasi actually, the next book, mas nag-upgrade din yung connection namin in terms of working with each other. Mas naiintindihan namin sa isa kung anong dapat gawin sa promos and sa show itself. So, yeah, getting better every year, so we just enjoy each other's company, di ba? So, yep.
So, pasasagutin ko pa si Wilbert at si Bea kung kumusta na sa relasyon nyo.
Kumusta bang relasyon natin?
Wala naman po. Ngayon nga lang kami magkakatrabaho nito. Sa Nocturno. But, ako po para sa akin, sa isang love team naman, hindi naman necessarily na kailangan maging kayo talaga in real life. What's important is maayos kayong nagtatrabaho, maayos yung working relationship din ninyo because after all, we all have lives outside our work. And I'm really grateful because Wilbert is, I feel like Wilbert is such a very reliable love team naman na katrabaho.
Thank you for your wonderful words. Matagal po kasi yung book namin, so friends naman kami.
Ba't parang kinikilig ka habang nagsasalita si Bea?
Sabi niya, responsible daw ako eh. Reliable pala. Nakatrabaho na po kasi kami sa Nocturno, so alam na po namin yung working relationship namin, paano kami, nagka-eksena na kami sa... Ba't ka ba nangasan? Nagkaka-eksena na po kami sa mismo, so... Ayun po. Yun lang.
Ayun, thank you guys. Phoebe, one question lang yun.
Oo nga, thank you po. Okay, maraming salamat po. Next naman, from Rider PH, we have Jojo Panaligan. Dito po.
Thank you. Kay Direct, ni-require...
Sa harapan po?
Yan. Ni-require niyo ba silang lahat na basahin yung libro at in-instruct mo ba sila to be 100% true to the characters? At meron din ba kayong deviation from the story or characterization para mas maging cinematic? Sorry, related kasi yung
I think nabasa naman na nila even before pa kasi third book na to. So, and ano kasi siya, di ba? Interconnected lahat ng mundo. So, alam ko nabasa na nila lahat.
Instruction na maging 100%.
I think in terms of character, we wanna be as loyal as possible dun sa sinulat ni Guay. Kasi tested na yung book ni Guay eh. Kumbaga, tsaka, as I've said, kami mismo, we fell in love with the characters nung sinulat siya. So, it's more of, I think, owning the character in a different way para pag enact nila. May mga small touches of their personality, pero we try to be as loyal as possible.
So kung ano mababasa mo, yun na makikita mo.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Kasi parang na-pressure ako dun sa...
Alright, maraming salamat po. Moving on to Random Republica, we have Kate Adahar.
Hi, good afternoon. My question is for Guay. Guy, congratulations. I know na pati ikaw mismo as a writer, you gained a fan base. So ngayon, I think are you still in law school and how do you balance everything? And ano yung aabangan? May law school love story din.
Yes, I'm still in law school po. How do I balance? Actually, sobrang hirap na po right now. Kaya, ang dami ko mga script na babasahin as of the moment. But I always find time. I just know my priorities. For me, school is at the top talaga. And then, of course, I still try to reach yung deadlines for the scripts kasi lahat yun kailangan review. And it's hard kasi I have to be on guard. Kailangan word by word I have to read them. Hindi ko pwedeng skim because, we all try to protect the essence of the story. So, kailangan yung mga information sakto since they're all interconnected with each other. Kailangan yung timelines, they're all sakto sa book. Kasi if not, magkakagulo talaga lahat. So, it's really hard right now. Pero, I still try to balance everything out. For the law school love story, since tapos na po kasi until book 6, I don't think there's a law school love story there. But I'm keeping that in mind if ever I write more in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman from Manila Bulletin, pakinggan natin si Bobby Requintina.
Magandang hapon. Direk, how would you describe yung chemistry ni Gavin Haya and kinilig din ba kayo habang tinukunan ng mga eksena nila?
Actually, pa lang po, look test pa lang. Feeling parang matagal na nila magkakilala. Sinasabi nilang months pa lang. Pero nung first time ko sila ma-meet, parang ang tagal na nila magkakilala. So, ayun, tinan nyo sila. Kaya kung nga rin din nila tayo naririnig. Ayun, mayroon na agad. Nung hindi pa nga kami nagbabasa po ng script, look test pa lang, photoshoot, meron na agad eh. I think yun yung natural, yun yung mahirap hanapin sa isang love team. And I think meron sila na.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Okay, thank you so much. And our final